Welcome children. Good morning. My name is Teacher Tejasvi Kubal and I will be teaching you history for this academic year. So from today we are going to begin with our portion. This year in 7th standard we are going to learn about medieval history. But before that, can you tell me what is history? History is the study of past events. People know what happened in the past by looking at the things from the past. History of medieval India. What is this history of medieval India? Medieval India refers to a long period of history of the Indian subcontinent between the ancient period and the modern period. So history is divided into three periods, that is ancient, middle and modern. So in the 6th standard we have learned about ancient history, and this year we are going to learn about the medieval history, that is middle phase of history in India. It is usually regarded as running between the breakup of Gupta Empire in the 6th century AD and the start of the Mughal Empire in 1526. So this medieval ancient India or medieval India started from the end of the Gupta Empire, when the Gupta Empire came to an end, and it starts at the Mughal Empire. How do we come to know about our medieval history? We come to know about medieval history when we look at various forts that are built, books or manuscripts, and when we look at the coins. We get to know about the medieval history. So today in our first chapter we are going to learn about sources of history in detail. So let's start.